Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Gwan Tours. We're on the new strip Albufeira. Let's see Gwan. You guys all know the vibe. So at the moment we've got some live music going on across the road, the King's Cross. We're just going to take a walk down the New Town Strip. Sort of early to late evening, so we're just going to see what the vibe is for this time of year. Is it as busy as we think it's going to be, or is it quieter? So yeah, so it's still sort of, I'd say sort of dinner time, really, isn't it?
What time is it to dinner?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay.
So I presume it's almost 10 or gone 10. Yeah. Because we just had food. So a lot of places are still sort of finishing off their food. So we will do an updated in about an hour, 2 hours time to see what it looks like. If we make it. We've been very good on our sleep on this holiday.
Had a holiday?
Yeah, we've had a holiday. We have had a holiday, it's been very nice. So got a little jungle on the side there. Getting into a little bit more of the heart of the strip. Yeah, really busy in there. The jungle was really heaving. Lots of people crammed in. It is obviously a smaller space as well. We're okay, thank you. But yeah, really busy in that one. It's usually quite busy in that one as well, the Greece cocktail bar. And then we got the karaoke. Not as busy in that one. Blue Star. And then good old Temple. Always a lot going on in Temple. And then we come down to our favourite, which is Legends. And it's always busy in Legends, always, yeah. Very rare for it to be quiet. I got Club Route 66. Again, this one could be hit and miss. I think this one will definitely be busier later. It's funny how some of them are dead and then some of them within an hour will be absolutely rammed. Dublin. So we're coming to the sort of like halfway point of the strip, so it sort of splits into two. So it's quite tame that side, isn't it, really? But like I said, it is still that sort of people are finishing off their meals, football's on. So like I said, give it an hour and it'll be a lot different. Yeah, it's Newcastle 3-0 up at the moment. Yeah.
Okay,
good, thank you. Got Simply on the side, again, still people eating. People get their tattoos at Pow Pow. Tattoo.
Cheapest place.
Cheapest place.
Hello, how are you?
We're good, thank you. Yeah, if you want a affordable meal and a drink, this is the place to go.
Number one.
Yeah. Got Jam over there. Bit more of a chilled atmosphere on this side. They got something going on. Oh, football again. Yeah, so. Same with this one. Lots of people eating, watching the football. Got Urban Pizza up there. Lots of people recommend that place. Right, so we now come into the second part of the strip. Doesn't look like this one's open at the moment. I don't know if it will be open tonight.
No.
Yeah, LYV, but again, we've got footage on the channel if you do want to check that one out. Like I said, it could be open much later. See if we make it that long.
It is early.
Yeah, it is early. Rick's is open. Again, they've got the footy on. Not tonight's football. Oh, Southampton actually playing tonight. I don't know how they're doing. Yeah, I forgot they're playing too. Kirk Southampton. So any other Southampton supporters? Hey, subscribe. As a fellow Southampton supporter, you need to. So yeah, Mambo's closed as well. Pizza pasta. Yeah, we never actually go in there, do we? So that is, what day is it today? It's Tuesday, so a lot of places do close either on a Monday or Tuesday, so we may have just picked the worst night to do a little bar crawl, but it is Gwan. You guys know the vibe. We'll show you whether come rain, come shine. Like, subscribe. Hopefully there's something on this that you enjoy regardless. So yeah, this place is usually open. So I think we just picked the night where everyone's decided that Tuesday is the day off. We get it, we've been in hospitality. So Matt's bar is still open. Keith's is open tonight as well. And 66 is still open. Keep on with the theme. So yeah, we basically come to the end of Wild & Co, Aurora, the new strip, just to show you guys what's happening early on in the evening. So if you do want to come out for the mayhem and madness before 11 o'clock, it can still be quite calm. Especially during October, do not take that for word if it's obviously during the peak like August and July. Yeah, nice restaurant here. We've never actually eaten there, but it looks nice. Comment below if you've been there. So yeah, Mexican right on the corner of the end or the top of the strip. Is this the top? Top or the bottom, depending on where you're staying, I guess. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. It really helps push the content and helps us to make more. Don't forget to put a thumbs up and notify if you want to see us and don't want to miss a video. We'll see you guys in the next one.